Five types of women you should avoid. You meet a girl in a public, she's pretty, she drinks beer and loves at it. Surely you think you have to act, but watch out, that you have to take into consideration what could happen. A group of experts in dating and relationship gave Men's Health magazine a list of types of women you should not be with if you want to avoid having problems. Check it out, it could save you from bad times. Number 1. The woman who just left a relationship. According to Donna Burness, a couple consultant, these types of women are incredibly attractive because they are full of passion and, in general, they are even wild. But the problem is that they deliver themselves very easily. Since their eagerness to heal their broken heart makes them need someone by their side. With whoever is out there, they will feel better, says Burness. Another problem that could happen in that they project in you some of the problems they had in their last relationship, which can lead to meaningless comparison and conflicts. Number 2, the woman who hates her job. Warning of women who want only money is stated by the Rachel Sussman, a relationship therapist. There are a lot of women who do not take their career seriously since they do not really want to work and just look for someone to be spotted, explains Sussman. One way to deal with such women is to notice how much she hates her work. If she dislikes her position and would like to change it for another, it's a good sign. However, if she goes from work to work and says that she does not like anything, then you are facing a woman you should not be with. Unfortunately, as the specialist, there are men who pamper such women, who in return receive little pay for affection, which ultimately becomes a toxic relationship. Number 3, the woman who drinks alone in a bar. For many men, says Sussman, these types of women are really attractive since it makes them imagine pleasant situation. Nevertheless, one must be careful. If she finds herself alone and drinking, it is because she is surely wanting some sorrow. In other words, if you thought that carrying her would mean a night of fun, the truth is that instead you will have to endure more of scene of crying because of the bad moment that she's going through. Number 4, the woman who blames at anything. If she says that all her relationships were terminated by problems she had no fault at all, she should be alert. These women are unable to take responsibility. Surely she will have problems that she think are not her fault, which will result in couple that will never improve her mistakes. Number 5, the woman who is glued to her phone. If you are on a date and you see that she is on her cell phone, be careful. You can be in front of an insecure woman that requires attention. And if she is not texting her friends, she can probably be in her inbox with themes related to her work, which can be bad as well. Burness concludes, the idea of dating someone is to interact with another person. If she cannot leave work on a Friday night, dependency will be problem in that relationship. Please leave us your opinion in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe this channel.